The creative industries is a huge part of the Welsh economy, contributing £1.4 billion annually. We already have a reputation for being world class, creating some of the best content there is on TV, video and online. But in order to stay on top of our game and to ensure that we're a leading force in the creative industries, we have to innovate. We have to keep thinking about how we're reaching audiences, how we're creating new formats. Our storytelling needs to change, it needs to adapt, it needs to be on platforms where our audiences are at, and that's changing all the time. So innovation is absolutely mission critical for us in the BBC, and that's why this is so exciting that we can work with Media Cymru and others in order to ensure that Wales is leading the way when it comes to innovation in the creative sector. If we take, for example, how the Content Innovation Fund is supporting the development of ideas in relation to climate change, we have now invited ideas for storytelling when it comes to climate change so that we can think of new ways of engaging with our audiences on this really difficult topic and thinking of new ways of telling the story of climate change and how it's impacting our communities. So I'm really confident that Wales will remain on top of the game when it comes to creating content that audiences want. And I'm really confident that the fund will bring ideas to the fore that will be on our screens very soon.